XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
We are going to discuss a special kind of paste called paste special. Let's see how it is differ from the normal copy paste. So I have a data set in A column and it is in vertical data in column wise. I want to transpose this data. Let's see, I have a simple question also based on this. Transpose A column data in horizontal format or row wise you can say. So I can select this data and go for copy, and wherever you want to paste, go for destination cell and you'll go for paste. Inside that you'll get an option called paste special. The shortcut is Ctrl Alt V. So you can click on this, and here we have the paste special dialog box. There are multiple options are there. We'll discuss all one by one. So here we have an option called transpose. You can click on and press OK right now. The data in horizontal format right now. So what we have done, we had a data set in A column and we transpose in C1 in horizontal format. Let's see one more example here. The row number transpose 16th row data in vertical format. How can we do that? So you can go for row number 16 here, and how to select the entire data, you can go for Ctrl A and let's see here. So I have a data set, I can press here Ctrl A, you can select the data, copy, Ctrl C, and wherever you want to transpose, go to the destination cell, again go for paste special dialog box, and here we can say click on transpose and press OK right now. So this A16 data was in horizontal format and we transpose in vertical format. So what transpose will do that, if you have a data in horizontal format, or you can say row wise, if you transpose it will go to column wise or vice versa. Alright, so this is the option we learn here in the paste special called transpose, right? So let's understand one more topic we have under paste special called paste link. Paste link means what? Let's see here, we'll go for this worksheet. If I go and select this data, Ctrl C, and I can paste in another cell, Ctrl V, and whenever you go and change the data set here, anything, if you go and change the data here in my A column, but the destination cell data doesn't change right now. But what we want here, whenever we have data in A column, if you go and paste in the destination cell, the value should change by itself. So let's see how can we do that. So again we can select this data, go for copy, go for destination cell, go for paste special once again, and this time you will go for paste link. So when you click on paste link, what happens, everything get copied, but exactly formatting style doesn't copy it. So how to copy the formatting style? We can just click on the cell which one you want to copy formatting style. You should be in home tab. There is one option we have format pane tab. You can click on this, and wherever you want to apply you can click the formatting got copied here. If you want to apply this formatting multiple location, you should double click on format painter and apply in multiple location as well. Now if you go and change here, the destination cell and will change by itself. So this is the way paste link option works in Excel. So there is one option also we have called, I can say one text here, how can we do paste link without going for paste special. So press equal sign, and which cell you want to connect, you can click on that and press OK right now, and you can drag here. So what happened here, the cell got copied. How to copy this formatting? Go for format painter and you can apply here, the same formatting got copied here. So this one we have done by paste link, and this one we have done by equal sign. If you go and change here into the source and press enter, you can see the data getting changed in the both places. Let's we go to the third option under paste special called paste skip blank. So what is skip blank? Let's say here in my data set I have two quarter data, quarter 1 and quarter 2, but quarter 1 data I want the same value should get pasted into the quarter 2. But in quarter 1 some value is missing. So when you go and copy this, control C for copy, and go and if you want to go for paste here, you can paste. So what happened, when you copy the data, even this blank cells are also getting copied and pasting into the destination cell. But what we want, I want when you copy a data and paste in the destination cell, this blank cell should not get copied. So for that, what we will do, let's see. So we can select this data, go for copy, control C, come to the destination cell, go for paste special, and inside that we have an option called skip blank. When you go for skip blank, you can see here it is not copying the blank cells in the destination cell. Let's go for the next option that under paste special called paste special operation. So paste special operation, what it will do, I have a data in A column and I want the same data should get repeated till F column. So either I can go for copy paste or I can use the paste special operation. I can go for fill right option. So I can select this entire data, block the data till what you want this data should be copied, and press Ctrl R. Ctrl R means the same data will get filled right hand side. Let's see the shortcut how it works. You can select this data, go for home tab, and we have an option called fill, and inside that will go for write. The shortcut what it says that Ctrl R, fill right hand side. You can do like this. Once again, if you go and delete this data, and if you have some data in the second row, I want should get copied till down, so you can press here Ctrl D. Ctrl D means down and Ctrl R for right hand side. But when you want to fill data upward, you should not press Ctrl U, because Ctrl U is preoccupied with underline. If you go and select and press Ctrl U, it doesn't fill data upward. So remember, Ctrl L for left hand side and Ctrl R for right hand side. I want to, in B column, I want to add every number with 10. So you can say it's very simple. So we can go for a cell where you want to do this operation and press here 10 and press enter right now. Once you do that, you can double click on this. You can see all data added with 10 numbers. But what I want output should not come in a new column or new cell. The output should come in cell number B itself. And second thing, I don't want to write any formula like B2 plus 10 or something like this. So how can we do that? So first of all, go for I column, I cells, I1, and copy here and select this entire data. Again go for paste special, Control Alt V, and here we will see operations. There are multiple options are there. So you'll go for add here and press OK. So you can see all numbers are added with 10. Now I want here all this number should be subtracted by 10. So I should select this data once again, go for paste special, and here you can see subtract here. So all number you can see is subtracted by 10. Now I once again I want to multiply all this number by 10. So you should copy first, Control C for this 10 value, go for multiply, go for paste special, and here we can go for multiply. All numbers are multiplied by 10, and for divide also, again you can go for paste special and divide by 10. Now I want here in F column all numbers should be negative number now. So all we know very well, whenever we multiply a data with -1, the cell will become negative number. So I'll go for J1, Control C for copy. We can go and block the cell, Control Alt V, and here go and multiply by, you can multiply by -1. So all number become negative number right now. If I tell you I want to convert all this number again positive, so if you go and again paste, so minus will become plus right now. So you can go and paste once again, and all this number will become positive number. So here till now we have discussed in paste special. Go for paste special, we discuss about transpose, We discuss about paste link, skip blank and all the operations.